the branch organizer that we can share or no. Into this kind of progs, very, very important to me. Branch organizer of Canada. Just here. Trying to disenfranchise people because of one or two reasons into Omuntimi Embeto Abano. Don't think say the right thing to do. One, brochure for no election do especially your opposition no. Do na yen na yedi sika bebre ebe support the party no. In this obi ye adwuma to save money say be a party ni hia moa na obetimi didi aba na juma at this time na juma entimi money kwan say ombra embeto aba no. You are trying to tell the person say because of say ontimi money nti who disenfranchise not to get that power to come and vote. Is this reasonable? But when you are done with everything now, you come back to the same person, telling the person to come and support the campaign and giving the person constituency to support. Obviously, you can never support it. Don't think it's a right thing to do because they are supporting constituencies. This time around, no, a lot of people think they will not be able to come and vote. Proxy na de bia ye no yenye proxy no that they open say yenye proxy now open say munye ayin kra no just choose one voter to one proxy. He say una me de me proxy be ma wa me ntimi mfa me proxy obi so for ntimi mfa me proxy embe ma wo nti you can only vote for one person. Na ya obi antimi ento aba but you are telling me say oh katini pakon not to come and vote, not to use the proxy, but you want the person to use their money to come and support the campaign. Don't think it's a right decision to take. Maybe I'll plead on the Joe Wise committee and say, maybe they didn't think about it in that regard. No proxy, no. But they should think about it well because think about it well. Now, you could read this, but still at the Papa Bia Maya. They will hear from us, or they will hear from us.
Telling you, and but Honorable Ken Camp say, Baumia Campus or uses our proxy vote in the Rigi election.
Okay, how can you make such a conclusion? Miss Adino can me, the Uju say programs now they ban or policies are they ban or approach for no. Yes, you get higher by any buy into it. Now, who disenfranchise about for not to vote because of say, I think we are leaning towards one candidate as Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. The whole policies now so they ban any the way candidates okay. Abrochi for no who vote for you. What are you scared of? Oh, what are you scared of? Me, I am unapologetic Baumia and nobody can stop it. That kind of thing now, they better stop it. Me, I don't mind. Today, I don't mind. Me, I can speak everywhere and everybody knows. Tell me about me. I can speak my mind anywhere. But because of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and say, sometimes we share opinion with the soon in the buying, and I also the ball bra. What you say? That's why we are quiet. Yes, I we can do even worse. But opening I didn't ni soon the buying and you won't be able to say because the only I can see now himself be winning. You don't muddy the waters. That's why we are quiet and we are trying to respect his control now. Or they ma in the cheat die for no say yen to the book. Na yen be right. But they shouldn't take that for granted to make sure say because of say if they don't stop it, we'll come back stronger and will be so that kind of decision say take say abroche for do support Dr. Mahmoud Baumia because the uji say you shouldn't be scared of proxy because proxy who candidate who representative and sign the proxy Now candidate no almost didn't share proxy so I had Ghana for election show monsa and no make my so. So me today I am saying say proxy should happen, and if they don't change their decision, no, they will hear from some of us approaching for Nombeti Yanka. That is my message to them.
Midase Big Mo clearly put and aptly said. Right.
Thank you very much.
It's still possible. Akwaba. Okay. Oh, that be a drew so. Nesu unya ala chemate.
The voice.
Yes, it's still possible.
Mame SM's kakatu 30 seconds.
Okay. And number one, Natoshi. Or see, Baomiambe the number of jobs are created as I say, or promising one constituency 10 appointments. Now, MC need this is for also essay. Natoshi has been one of the reasons for our party in Western say grassroots for DCs were almost less powerful than Natoshi. She was keeping the monies and was giving the contract in Accra. And the DC ni sikaye ni salary 4,700. On me find she. And that caused a lot of apathy or party. No. Teacher for a demonstration. And I message where the yen source was a semsu. Next year no, I no say obia beye pompo and I say obeye a farming assistant. And say we are coming to plant palm nut a big push no ebeye a coin bebre and wow bet me pompo no be pompo. And no one should do demonstration. And as so me also say Pragia for some call demonstration at here Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly because they are not allowing them to work. And I may say, I buy our promise you can afford it. Pragia you can promise. Why are you impeding the right of a Pragia for to work? Insecurity. Our Ashanti region. Mansu Edubia, assemblyman no is hiding. Unit committee member. Yes, unit committee. They be quite different. Unit committee member no, the robbers caught him and beat him and sent him to police station. Armed robbers no, or move to meet DOB at the police station. It is a say no, a robbers at the curfew a two musu obia me call out of the town obia me rim. And I'm saying say sa amnesty muntakase obema move for 60 days to return their weapons there. We don't have 60 days as a nation to waste. If any action is there against this thing, idea who say a true be our system nemu and all those things, that action must be now. Until you have 6 to 7 minutes to talk on all of this. Any proxy voting?
Aye. Voice.
Yes.
Now voice say, eso kas mama na ne draws kakraka no. Because me na me in na to see. And then Natoshi got the gut because Kennedy Japan promising the vice president in T. It's Natoshi to me, Gina, Bejomu, Busa said, dear, then a doctor Mahmoud Baumia, Natoshi Branham and Cancer, their doctor, ye. Ye better about 2024. Doctor Echo BA, a Kaya, and Crowfoot. Mammy and Patrol me to hook a crabby mammy. Echo Bem. Mammy Tina. Me patrol me to hook a crabby mammy. Hey. Hello? Mr. Me da note. There be under mute oh. Yati have one mute ho. 80 Natoshi 2024 year elections are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kofa kaya ye free northern region. Chinchini benche ye ba ye ebidak ye kan say kantamanto. Ebi ma wo mo makrampo wu. Malaria chichirin kola and kola ni be more nourished. Elmo ye repi omu. Doctor kofo mu free kantamanto be training omu a and ne wut me hu kaya ye all three a bus. Wut me hu kaya ye oye makeup. Wut me hu kaya ye oboti kaya ye oye baking. Hey, na to she busa say doctor juma be no create ye. Sa nkrofo we mu nyina na ye almost 5,000 2,000 cohort and nkrofo ye graduate ye. ye bom abaso mom certificate nam Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ntunti no omo nsa ko ma no na atoshi wo si de ben kene doctor enche adwuma wa kreti na kene Japan no adwuma ben wa kreti Canada Japan adwuma ben en wa kreti apart from the workers 7 na egu ayi aduma fmo so man fm no emu ahe na atoshi wo kasa yie wate se wo dross so a wadwin sha wadwin no enye kese te se wo dross no ensunsuru yedam se Canada Japan be promise vice president ka sem papa vice president eka meto enyansafo aso menye wadwin se wo dross sunti no sa na wadwin so ye mpene wo ye oba ntiri a ye pese ye konu we ye ti ne expert wo no because women in politics no eya na Ghana fo feel say oba bia wa climb ni we ni bia no o ya ashawo eno na de bi omdidi yatem na atoshi we are trying to be civil. Yeah, try say you be control your home. So we see ube sani wa ayi apoto bibre ni mu a. Na atoshi ye sani wo mu a. Won't be for my kincha wa no da wate. Wa no na ebu egum no. No wa fun na ahihye to say jemere kutu abo wo no. Won't mean kasa wate. Wa fun na jemere kutu ewurawura mu no. Ye sani so a. Sa unkwasi asem na sesisi obia bebodam wo Ghana o certificate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so obia dwen touch ma but certificate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so obia be ye we pe doctor so adan dia na doctor dia yemo Canada Japan yima be no wa kreti me no ka say I can say the voice uko zongwa first na zongo ya de ayi besini koko chance na ware yomo and na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kaya ye empowerment program nti and na kaya ye makeup otimi ye makeup otimi ye decorations otimi ye baking otimi ye soap making otimi drive it and na zongo for my price abom ho wate omo graduate yomo kwa doctor the materials ema omo no esa this capital seed e pie omo so no na to she sad na ye de na ye de ba de doctor de interoperability e ba ye na momo and nemomo enkrofobia e wa platform you on TikTok hey ya so a emamu wane mayo a omo ho kire omo a ye bo omo ya pebo mo stand am omo and then momo ye dididi anya every day obo ya 20 cedis ni 30 cedis omo didi e ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nsa no adwuma e zo be jira be ka kire ye say doctor nse anya adwuma on kire adwuma kora wa ya na to she shame on you odroso so a wadwen so wadwen ye ketwa na odroso ye kakraka Canada Japan we do atem we so go advise or be promise vice president no kan kwase asem na nka jubilee aso mbese ho obetimi abetena TV so mu ko cabinet a wo betena wa ka kire so wase nsuo obeka kire so wase so nsuo wo droso kakraka obeka kire enti na to shinti oba besia na mu hu sa no Canada Japan na wudi na chi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia den no de aye wo e den no den tu wa wugina ope vice president edi obi e wonum kasa fun sa na atoshi ukasa fun sa no enka wo oba e ma de ba politics mu ani eni edin a kama efe wetima ya woni e ma kama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na atoshi den no de aye wo e den no de aye wo a wo kasa tete ne adwen ni utiri mu kura wa fun se jemere kutu wate ma me nko teachers for no so the voice teachers for no mo se de
Kwen.
na mahame no amfo ama soldier police for na amfa pon kokoti na mebro mo wonso no mkuta ba bi no ada some police Ghana hope and the police for no ma adwuma na the voice me patcho mami yohonu address na me nko kan kire no
Yohonu boku
mu teachers for ye ntia mo kandidi yen yenya nwede yen
Debbie obuse ye next year ye recruit you omo nti ye recruit you omo budget no see there no recruitment for them next year.
The voice catch them some ko pado bi na some ko people teacher bi no mun ko di omo ko people teacher na mun ko pado bi no na do na omo so ye Harold na do no so ye Nebukadnezar no say no treat him Me say Bible aka say ewiase ye we wutiri modern wodi etimodin eso aketua wobenya so ansa na wafiri wiase dan na papa bi ka wo platform bi to say sa Gen Z for na wo mu ko free senior high school e benefit ya o mu wie san koto abeti a NPP no kama no o be hia no ha pepepepepepe eno ho asua wi na ebo mo no na mahama ye catch them mahama no wonya fufuro the same old mahama no enim no no a ye kan the voice almost o mumpene
Omusi kwen.
ai na do hu yo mohi NPP Fuɔ wie sika enne mahama ba ye hye sika mo wuhia insecurity Ghana for yay na mo ni NDC for record money NDC for record insecurity nti enya mo de ye de yen NPP Fuɔ ye nyankopɔn ma ye yabɔfo ma nyankopɔn ene bebo NPP Fuɔ ho ban endu 2028 NDC for 6 million kwase for 6 million na half awu no ma short 3 million nti NPP Fuɔ ye nyankopɔn ene bo ye ho ban ye yabɔfo nyankopɔn mo hwe ye colors de bia abɔfo atwa ye ho ahia na me bo nyankopɔn pa ye se obi bia wo ye NPP ni a wo pese wo to ba ma NPP nso wo ye potential NPP member so wo nya NPP member bo na ye floating voter na wo feel say na mahama aye no ensem fata na pese wo to aba ma NPP 2028 me bo nyankopɔn pa ye eni awode soronko nimde soronko free osoro agya ho de maun e maun kwatenten NDC for 6 million no endu 2028 na half ko na nyankopon abon ho ban abo kokromoti ho ban musuo bia ebefa ho ebebo bia nyankopon pangu bibia nyankopon obronsam e de beba wa akwamu bia ye accident ye yale dom se mahama all sacrifice Ghana for ye bo nyankopon pa ye se onyi ye mfiri mu
Amen.
na 2028 ye tibi ko to oba e ma ye papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no mra
Amen.
na proxy voting no almost say dia na how problem is saying proxy voting dey better go
See about me person regular election, you know.
yes ye beto ye introduce ye ntra brocha ye nto aba ye beto pa for example ye ma me mpanifo no mo ni efira no ana omuntimi nko no ombedenya boafo
Any asem no.
so be yi we yi na show bi nsam akoto ama wana meboa
Sabe pepe.
eti ye wa bro change me tra ticket emma no me kan kire ye say ye delegate no e nto aba enu so efiri nfa ye beto pa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or your digital man Roberto na the voice me di manu besi no na obi abemu no Ghana for mistake ni ayebi o ya yebi but o kan Bible a edu be bi e frɛ Nyankopɔn the God of second chance enu kire se Nyankopɔn o de bone che uye bone anaye mfunso na nu hu Nyankopɔn de chew na osam ma o second chance Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na nanado e kan say nanado Nyankopɔn eyi ni di na base or my second chance to rethink enti no the doctor eba yenye ye niema yie ni entuma doctor enidaso nsa ebu achia nanso emu ye the voice unimade ye nwanwa doctor saso Nyankopɔn bo tripe o obo nipa te say doctor tripe ba ko kopie Europe ba ko kopie America ba ko abepie Africa Ghana ni konya no because Ghana a Christopher eman ye bompa ye ekremofo so man ye nyina ye nida Nyankopɔn ba ko peso ye nyina ye gidi se sunsun bi wo hon ma efre ni Nyankopɔn ana ala enti ye konkoto dwani me bompa ye e de frɛ omo enti eno na Nyankopɔn eni ala etimi aso da ye se ye mbo nipa surunku ye frɛ no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia an angel no be yi Africa ene Ghana emfiri ohaw ni atiti mu enti doctor won ne sa second chance na Nyankopɔn edi na mayen no ya mfunso nyame fa ye bone cha yen ne fa doctor NPP delegate sisi Ghana for say yen kan kire mu say mun fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mra mo de ne ba on beto aba edi ama no wo mu nyina ye ready mistake no ma ye bi And na me hu say nkrofo post omu kokromoti e wo Facebook who read the comment omu NPP Fuɔ before ntom so mo nkoto aba nanso nyankopon a oyɛ the God of second chance no ohu se yenu ye ho it wo no ankasa e the Dr. Mahmood Bawumia e ba through delegate no e NPP delegate yesrem etu ahene esi ahemfo say the voice esa koba biemu a mekyerɛkyerɛ doctor policies odi aba o so de
Right.
wa mo enti enu nti munyina so na monto aba enfama doctor or your promise keeper